So today is the day before Thanksgiving 2025. Let's go take a look at what I've done with my figs. We're all ready. Uh, the season's finished. And we're just getting everything set for the winter. And hopefully everybody makes it through the winter this year and does well for spring. And that we get a lot of nice, strong, healthy trees and a lot of cuttings that we can propagate into new figs. Let's go take a look. So it's looking a little bare, isn't it? All these figs are now in the shed for the winter. There's no rush, but I put them in there because the nights are getting very cold, getting down to like 30, 31, 32. And we were expecting some rain the other day, and I didn't want them to get saturated with water and then have that water freeze. So I put them in the shed, and let me show you how they're situated. Here they are. And they'll stay here till the spring. And at that time, I'll prune them and get them ready for next season. The ones that I'm not putting in the shed are out here. The three in the ground here. It's the Chicago Hardy right here. The I-258. And the dark Portuguese. All three of these were wrapped last year, and it was a pretty severe winter, and they all three died to the ground. So the first guy here is now about 5 feet tall, looking really good. Gave us some nice figs this year. The I-258 looks like he's about 7 or 8 feet tall. Also gave us a few figs this year. And then the Chicago Hardy, he's about 7 feet tall. He gave us some nice figs this year also. So let me go take a look and see how Windy is doing. Here's Windy. Right now, he's about 8 feet tall. You can see some figs that didn't quite ripen. They're still on there. We'll be taking those off before too long. And this guy also died just about down to the ground, then came back. It gives you an idea of the growth that you get from these guys during the course of one season. And he'll give me a whole bunch of really nice cuttings. But you got a lot of lignified wood. Everything on here is lignified nicely. So we'll be taking some cuttings off of him. Okay, let's go take a look at the Black Mission. This is the Black Mission. So I put some mulch leaves in with him already. And I think for the winter, I'll just cut him back a little bit. Maybe put some more leaves in. Then he'll be all set for the winter. Then I still have the White Greek his leaves are holding out the longest. He's got a bunch of figs on him still too. Look at these guys. I might be able to grab this one and eat it. Look at that. There are a few figs on him that I might be able to eat. Anyhow, he hasn't dropped all his leaves yet. This is the southern side of my house. So I'm sure that that's helped a lot. Get some warmth off the back of the house. And then he'll drop these leaves over the course of the next few days probably. And then we'll pluck off the figs that are not going to do anything and get him ready for the winter as well. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just stick them in the comments below and I will be happy to get back to you and answer any questions that I can help with. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a happy Thanksgiving. That's tomorrow. And I hope everybody has a lot to be thankful for. Thanks for watching. Bye.